Ever wished you could run ChatGPT across hundreds of spreadsheet rows at once without the exhausting copy pasting? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using Numerous.ai. Numerous.ai is an incredibly powerful, easy-to-use plugin that brings the power of ChatGPT directly into Google Sheets and Excel. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, student, or researcher, this tool is designed to handle the heavy lifting for you. The best part? You don't need to worry about setting up complicated API keys. You simply install the add-on, and you can start using AI in any cell with a simple equal AI function. So what can you actually do with it? First, it's a game changer for digital marketing. You can use it to generate AdWords keywords, write Facebook ad copy, build campaign structures, and draft SEO content in bulk. Instead of writing prompts one by one, you can write a single prompt and drag it down to generate content for dozens of products or topics instantly. Second, it is perfect for organizing messy data. If you have large bodies of text, customer surveys, or social media comments, Numerous.ai can summarize, rewrite, categorize, and clean up that information in seconds. It can take messy user inputs and normalize them so your spreadsheets stay clean and professional. It's also built for teams. The tool is designed to let your entire organization collaborate on AI initiatives. Plus, it features smart caching to avoid running duplicate queries, which keeps things incredibly fast and highly cost-effective. Now, to keep things completely honest with you, we don't have a database of external user reviews to share for this tool today. However, looking at how it works, the biggest pro is clearly the convenience. Skipping the API setup and using a simple spreadsheet formula is a massive time saver. On the flip side, as with any AI tool, you'll want to carefully audit the generated text and data to ensure accuracy before publishing or using it for critical business decisions. If you want to stop doing grunt work and start automating your spreadsheets, head over to Numerous.ai to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI in your spreadsheets. See you in the next video.